Now we will see the excretion in plants, because plants, they are also living organisms, and in them also the cells are continuously working, producing or synthesizing something. But plants generally do not face a problem of elimination of waste excretory products as animals, because generally we call the plants as a producer. They synthesize, they produce something for us. So, but sometimes even in the plants, some metabolites which are produced, they may be toxic or waste for the plants. So there are different ways to dispose them off from their body. They do not have a special excretory structure or excretory organs present in them. They may excrete out by different ways, and these are the different ways are follows. The first major waste substance produced by certain metabolic activities of plants is oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Now carbon dioxide and water are used by the process of photosynthesis. We all know during photosynthesis plants need carbon dioxide. So during the process of respiration, the carbon dioxide and water which is produced by the plants is being used up during the process of photosynthesis. Now during the process of photosynthesis, oxygen comes out as a waste. So this oxygen which is coming out as a waste during the process of photosynthesis is used up by the plants during the process of respiration. But excess oxygen generally escapes out from the plant body by simple diffusion process through stomata. Second way, excess salt is removed through hydrothods along with guttation water. You must have observed the droplets of the water on the margin of the leaves. That is, the extra excess salt is generally removed by this process. You will see this process in the given video which I am sharing with you all. Many breakdown products are recycled in the synthesis of the new metabolic products. So generally in plants, what happens, whatever is being produced as a waste is being used up by another process. So that is why the waste is generally less in the plants. Another way, most of the toxic waste produced are stored within the dead permanent tissues such as hardwood, leaves or bark, which are removed periodically. Some excess organic acids combine with excess cations and precipitate out as insoluble crystals which can be safely stored in plant cells. Some waste substances are eliminated through petals, fruits and seeds. Aquatic plants lose their waste products by diffusion directly into the water. Some excretory products such as latex, gums, essential oils, etc. are stored in a special type of the tissues and glands. So in the end, I just want to tell you, the plants, they do not have any special excretory organs or a system. The whatever waste or the metabolites which are not required by the plants, they are stored in a different types of the cells, and that waste is being utilized by the human beings. Like for us, the latex, gums, all these things are very important. We use gums, we use latex, we use essential oils. Even the rubber which we are using, that is the kind of a waste produced by the plants, but it is very useful for us. So in the last, I just want to tell you, the plants, they do not have a special excretory organs or system. They just either they reuse the waste in another process, or the waste can be stored in the different parts of the body which can be given out by the plants. Thank you everyone.